Did you know that by being nice to others and showing kindness, you're actually helping your brain? Scientists say that when you help others, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and reduce stress. It's like a natural high that's good for your body and soul. But the best part? This is something you can start doing right now. No fancy equipment, no expensive therapy, just kindness. Imagine this. A person is walking down a busy street after a long, stressful day. Their mind is racing with thoughts about work, family, and everything in between. They feel drained, exhausted, and overwhelmed. Suddenly, they spot an elderly woman struggling to carry a heavy bag of groceries. Without even thinking, they step forward and offer their help. She looks up at them with gratitude, smiles, and says, "Thank you, young one." As they walk away, something surprising happens. A sense of warmth spreads through their chest, and for a moment, all their worries seem to fade. It's almost as if helping her has lifted a weight off their shoulders. They don't quite understand it at first, but as they reflect on the moment, they realize that small act of kindness, the simple act of helping someone, made them feel better. It was a rush of happiness, a natural high. And what they don't know is that this feeling, this boost, was brought on by endorphins in their brain, triggered by their kind gesture. So, why did they feel that way? Well, when you do something kind for someone, your brain releases endorphins, which are the same chemicals responsible for the runner's high. They give you that euphoric feeling and help to relieve stress. But there's more. Your brain also releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which makes you feel more connected to others. And that boost in serotonin helps improve your mood and acts like a natural antidepressant. The beauty of helping others is that it's a win-win situation. You're making someone else's day better, and at the same time, you're improving your own mental well-being. Helping others isn't just about them. It's about you too. However, there's a crucial point to remember. You can't pour from an empty cup. Helping others is wonderful, but you have to take care of yourself first. Think about it this way. If you're not mentally or physically well, you can't truly help anyone else. Imagine you're on an airplane. The flight attendants always tell you to put your own oxygen mask on first, even before helping others. Why? Because if you can't breathe, you can't help anyone else. The same goes for life. By taking care of yourself, you're ensuring that you'll have the strength and energy to help others. So, fill your own cup first, and the kindness you give to others will be even more meaningful. Mother Teresa once said, "It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving." This quote perfectly captures the essence of kindness. It's not about grand gestures or giving until you're depleted. It's about offering what you have with genuine love and care. And look at the example of Jesus. He walked among the poor, healing the sick and helping the downtrodden. He didn't just talk about love, he lived it. His kindness and compassion were tangible, and his legacy is a testament to how deeply caring for others can impact not just individuals, but the world. So, how can you start today? Here are a few simple ways to help others and experience those brain-boosting effects. First, give a compliment. It's small, but it can make someone's day and boost your mood too. Compliments cost nothing, but can create a ripple effect of kindness. Second, volunteer your time. Whether it's an hour a week at a local shelter or helping a friend, giving time is one of the most valuable ways to show kindness. It doesn't have to be a big commitment, but even small acts of service can create a powerful impact. Third, practice random acts of kindness. Pay for someone's coffee, open a door for someone, or just smile at a stranger. It's easy, and it feels good. These little actions not only brighten someone else's day, but also give you a sense of accomplishment. Fourth, listen actively. Sometimes just being there and listening to someone can be the best thing you can do. It helps them feel heard, and it also helps you feel more connected. Active listening shows empathy and strengthens relationships. But here's the important part. Don't expect anything back. The secret to true fulfillment lies in the act of giving itself, not in what you get in return. It's easy to get caught up in wanting something back, but the beauty of kindness is that it's fulfilling in and of itself. Give because you want it, because it feels good, and because you genuinely care about others. When you do, you'll start to notice that your own happiness grows and your life feels richer, and more meaningful. So, the next time you're feeling down or stressed, try this. Do something kind for someone else. It might be the perfect way to lift your own spirits and make the world around you a little brighter. So remember, kindness isn't just about making others feel good. It's about creating happiness in your own life, too. The more we help, the more we heal. So, go ahead, make someone's day, and see how it changes yours. And if you want more tips on living your best life and understanding the world around you, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond the Basics for more insights. Stay kind, stay happy, and keep growing. See you in the next one.